What does it mean when a hummingbird visits you? As per the spiritual meaning, it speaks the hope and inspiration. Therefore, it could be a God to help you achieve your goals. Hummingbirds are some of the magnificent birds in the world. Moreover, they are delightful, and you will notice magic while they fly. These incredible small birds are important figures in folklore and culture. However, the unique nature of hummingbirds makes them one of the vital spiritual symbols. Hummingbirds are nectar consuming tropical birds and are lightweight, beautiful, and have backward flying ability. As per the U.S. culture, these birds are a sign of hope, in improvement, and joy. The Native Americans consider hummingbirds to be good fortune. It is because they have a bright color that gives them an appealing look. Therefore, when a hummingbird visits you, it is deemed to be auspicious. Hummingbirds have extraordinary symbol and spiritual powers. Therefore, their visit or contact as essential for the individuals facing stress and challenges. The experts consider hummingbirds as from God and angels. The purpose of visiting into your life is to direct you on the right path. If you follow their spiritual message, you will get peace and happiness from the universe. I will put this at the end of the video so you can read more about it. Thank you for viewing.